Right now, I'm not on my home network, different Wi-Fi, far from home. And normally my phone or laptop just can't reach anything back there. But with WireGuard running on my MikroTik, I flip it on, and I'm instantly inside my home network, reaching a device on my LAN like I'm sitting right next to it, encrypted the whole way. By the end of this video, you'll connect to your own network from your phone or laptop from anywhere. Let's build it. Quick plan. The server I want to reach is on my home LAN at 192.168.10.100/24. The VPN gets its own little network, 172.16.10.0/24, and every device that dials in gets its own address inside it. The endpoint, the one thing that must be reachable from outside, is the router's public IP, 10.10.10.5. And here's the difference from a site to site. This time the WireGuard interface itself gets an address because the clients live inside that tunnel. Now let's connect to the home router with Winbox. Create the interface and set the listen port to 13,231. The default is random, so we pin it on purpose. Click Apply, and the interface comes up with a key pair already generated. Copy the router's public key. Now the difference from a site to site. Give this interface an address, 172.16.10.1/24. That's the router's identity inside the VPN, and it's what lets your devices share this little network. Now your device, in the WireGuard app, on your laptop, add an empty tunnel and give it a name. It instantly makes a key pair. Copy the client's public key. Now on the router, add the laptop as a peer. Paste its public key and set a loud address to its VPN IP only, 172.16.10.2/32. On the router side, that's an access list. It locks each device to its own address, one peer per device. Next step is to open the WireGuard port. Accept UDP on 13,231 in the input chain above your drop rules. If your forward chain drops by default, also allow the VPN network, 172.16.10.0/24, to reach your LAN. Now finish the client. The interface address is the same one we set as the peer on the router. Paste the router's public key you copied earlier. The endpoint is your router's public IP and the port. Set allowed IPs to 0.0.0.0/0 for full access through the tunnel. Add persistent keep alive, 25, and save. Here's the proof. The tunnel's saved but still switched off. From the laptop, I start pinging the server, 192.168.10.100, and nothing, request timed out. Now, with the ping still running, I flip WireGuard on. The handshake fires and the same ping starts replying. You're inside your home network from outside, every packet encrypted. Your phone is even easier because this time we let the router do the work. Add a new peer, but instead of pasting in a key, click the plus next to the private key field and choose Auto. Apply, and the router generates both keys for itself, private and public. That's the whole trick. Because the router now holds the private key, it can build the phone's config for you. Give the peer its own tunnel address, 172.16.10.3, and fill in the client side, that same address, the DNS, endpoint, client keep alive, and the listen port. Apply again, and the router draws a QR code right there. Now grab the phone, open the WireGuard app, tap the plus, scan from QR code, and the whole config drops in. No typing, no keys to copy. Toggle it on, the handshake fires, and your phone is inside the network too. That's WireGuard remote access on MikroTik. Connect from your phone or laptop from anywhere, encrypted. All commands are in the description. Thanks for watching.